If you need to cancel your Zoom subscription, follow these straightforward steps to ensure the process goes smoothly. Step 1. Sign into your account. Go to the Zoom website and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you are using the account that has the subscription you wish to cancel. Step 2. Access billing settings. Once logged in, navigate to the account management section found in the left-hand menu. From there, click on billing to access your subscription details. Step 3. Locate your subscription. In the billing section, you will see your current subscription plan. Look for the option that indicates your subscription status and click on it to view more details. Step 4. Cancel the subscription. Find the Cancel Subscription option. Click on it and follow the prompts to confirm your cancellation. You may be asked to provide a reason for cancelling. Step 5. Confirm cancellation. After completing the cancellation process, you should receive a confirmation email from Zoom. Check your email to ensure that your subscription has been successfully cancelled. Once you've completed these steps, your Zoom subscription will be cancelled and you will not be billed for the next billing cycle. If you have any further questions, consider reaching out to Zoom's customer support for assistance.